Can I get Peacock on Sony TV? Yes, Peacock is available on many Sony smart TVs, but its availability depends on the model and operating system. If your Sony TV runs Android TV or Google TV, you can download Peacock directly. If not, alternative methods like casting or using an external streaming device can help you access the service. 1. Checking if your Sony TV supports Peacock. To determine if your Sony TV is compatible with Peacock, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store or Apps section. Search for Peacock in the store. If the Peacock app appears, your TV supports it. If not, you will need an alternative method to watch. 2. Installing Peacock on a supported Sony TV. If your Sony TV runs Android TV or Google TV, follow these steps to install Peacock. Press the Home button on your remote. Open the Google Play Store for Android TV or Apps section for Google TV. Use the search function to find Peacock. Select the app and click Install. Open the app, sign in with your Peacock account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Peacock. If Peacock is not available on your Sony TV, you can use an external streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast with Google TV, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Simply connect the device to your Sony TV, install the Peacock app, sign in, and start streaming. 4th, casting Peacock from a mobile device. If your Sony TV does not support Peacock, you can cast or screen mirror from a smartphone, tablet, or computer using Chromecast or AirPlay. Ensure your Sony TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Peacock app on your mobile device. Tap the Cast icon for Chromecast or use AirPlay for Apple devices. Select your Sony TV and the content will play on your screen. If your Sony TV runs on Android TV or Google TV, you can install Peacock directly. Otherwise, using an external device or casting option allows you to watch Peacock on your TV. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can stream Peacock content with ease.